How's it going, everybody? You're watching The About Tech, and today I'm going to show you one of my favorite tricks on the iPhone that I use every single day. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your iPhone display brighter than maximum and also darker than minimum, because trust me, this is not the best you can get. So, in other words, I'm going to show you how to have full control of your iPhone's display. So, let me show you how to actually do it because it's super easy. You don't even need to download anything. It's all done here through the settings. So, let's tap on settings and then tap on the search bar right there at the top and then type auto and then bright and then brightness, as you can see right there, auto brightness, because we're gonna play with the auto brightness. As you can see, it's pretty buried in the settings in accessibility, display, and text. So that's why I think it's much easier to just type in auto brightness in the search bar. So then if you scroll all the way down, you see auto brightness right here. By default, it's turned on any and all iPhone models. So then what I want you to do is to turn off auto brightness, and then all you have to do now is pull down the control center, and if you bring the brightness to the maximum right here, you see that instantly it gets much brighter than the maximum used to be. And the same goes for the minimum. If you bring all the way down, it gets completely dark. Absolutely dark. I honestly can't even see it with all the lighting here in the studio, so I need to get a little bit closer to have a look at where it is, and there we go. So then, as you can see, on its own, just by disabling auto brightness, you get so much more brightness on the maximum and so much darkness here at the minimum. So then just on its own, you have fully control of your iPhone's brightness display right here. And on top of that, and maybe even better, when you disable auto brightness, you also have more control, because then your iPhone won't be automatically adjusting the brightness. Because when you have auto brightness turned on, even if you bring all the way up and you have maximum brightness right here, after a few seconds, your iPhone will probably do this. And same goes when you are all the way down, it'll go a little bit up just like that. So then when you have auto brightness, you don't have full control. And also, as you just saw, just by disabling auto brightness, the maximum is higher than the maximum used to be, and the minimum is already darker than the minimum used to be. And just one piece of advice, don't have your iPhone at full brightness all the time when you have auto brightness turned off, just because it'll stay at maximum all the time, and then that's pretty bad for your display and also your battery. So my recommendation is that you do that in specific scenarios and moments, not all the time, all day, every day. So keep that in mind. All right, so that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next video as usual. Bye bye.